guys, this is Javi again from SICC. Now it's 7 a.m. in the morning. Today we are going to visit a very wonderful secret wonderland. Don't hesitate, take her back and go on the trip. Let's go! Driving north from downtown Panzhihua to the secret land of Gesara, we saw beautiful scenery along the way, including the exotic 𝐂𝐢𝐷 Island and the Qing River waterfall hidden between the cliffs of the canyon. It took nearly 4 hours to drive to the destination, which is also the necessary way for the Golden Tourist Road, Panzhihua to Lugu Lake. The fairyland Gesara is a gallery of the earth where the average negative oxygen ion content per cubic meter is more than 300. Known as the nature forest oxygen bar, at the same time, being in the place not only can you refresh your body, but can also immediately smooth the soul. What can we find in the Gesara ecotourism zone this season? The world's wild choices are greenstone forest area, alpine pasture, magazine wetland, and primeval forest. Today we will take you to enjoy the cool. There are rolling mountains here. On the road, you can see the lowest plateau, dense jungle, and soma flowers. The geology here is extremely varied, so it is also known as the Natural Geology Museum. Well, when I walk through, I really think Gesara is a very good place to escape from your urban city life. It really makes you feel chilling, and I wish I could spend all day here and doing nothing. I just tried one time. I'm so brilliant. Hi, I'm riding a horse. That's like a prince.